Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your ultimate kitchen game changer. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, and more, all in one sleek appliance, saving you valuable counter space. With 15 one-touch smart programs, from poultry to sous vide, delicious healthy meals are just a button away, making meal prep effortless. Imagine perfectly cooked dinners with minimal effort, thanks to its intuitive controls and precise settings, truly making healthy cooking easy. And cleanup is a breeze, with the durable food-grade stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy meals every time. Its advanced safety features and bright display truly differentiate it, providing both peace of mind and culinary precision. If you're serious about upgrading your kitchen and want the best kitchen appliance for 2025, the Duo Plus is a must-buy. Ready to simplify your cooking routine and explore endless recipes? Find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon via the link below. For anyone seeking efficiency, versatility, and incredible taste, this Instant Pot model is absolutely worth it. Click that link now to discover why this multi-cooker is the smart choice for every modern kitchen.